How to add or remove switch control to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Now in here, we scroll down and then you can tap on the switch control to select the item or deselect the item. Now when you select switch control, it will be added to the menu. So here if you triple click on the side button, that will bring up the accessibility shortcuts menu. In here you can quickly access the switch control shortcut. And that's it. To remove it from the menu item, just simply deselect it and that will be removed from the shortcut menu. And that's it. Sorry, I pressed on the wrong one, so I'll turn off Smart Invert. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.